going to talk about sequences. Your sequence is just a list of numbers. 7, 12, 11, 15, 21, etc. Actually, I think it can be an infinite sequence. We call the first number a sub 1, the second number a sub 2, the third number a sub 3, etc. If we had a second sequence, 3, 11, 9, 2, since we've already used up the letter, A, I'll call them B1. The second number B sub 2, B sub 3, etc. Now, one of the things that we do with sequences is we define them. We give what's called a closed form. So we give the general term. We say what a sub n is. Suppose a sub n is 2 to the n plus 1. Well, what would a sub 1 be? Oh, I replaced n with 1. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. 2 to the n plus 1 is 2 plus 1 or 3. A sub 2. So now n is 2. It equals 2. But that's how I'm going to write n. It's 2 to the n plus 1. 2 squared is 4, plus 1 is 5. If you want to know what a sub 3 is, n is 3. It's 2 to the n, which is 8, plus 1 more. 8 plus 1, of course, is 9. If you want to know what a to the 5th is, it's 2 to the n plus 1. 2 to the 5th is 32, plus 1 more, 33. Nice and simple. If you're given the nth term, the general term, you can find any term. Maybe the arithmetic might be hard. Finding 2 to the 72 might be hard, but at least you know what calculation you have to make. Let's suppose we have this one. It's 3 to the n plus 1 over n minus 1 over n squared. A sub n. If you want a sub 1, we'll just rewrite the line above, but instead of n, put 1. It's 3 to the 1 plus 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 squared. This is 3, because that's 3, and that's 1, and that's 1. 3 plus 1 minus 1 is 3. A sub 2 is 3 to the n plus 1 over n minus 1 over n squared. This is 9 plus a half minus a quarter. If you have half a dollar, you take away a quarter, you have another quarter. 9 plus a quarter is 9 and a quarter. That is how you use the general term to find the first few or any term in the sequence. Here we found the first two terms. If you wanted the third term, it's 3 to the n plus 1 over n minus 1 over n squared. And of course, I meant to write 3 for n. 3 cubed is 27. I'll think of a third, multiplying top and bottom by 3. I'll think of it as 3/9. The reason is I know I'm taking away a 9th. So it's 27 plus 2/9, or 27 and 2/9. So you can find any term using that top line.